Hi all. Now we are going to see about some file concepts. In this video we are going to see about disk structure. In disk structure there are physical layout, logical structure are there. So the physical layout of a disk includes sectors, tracks and cylinders. These elements determine how data is physically stored on the disk. Sectors, smallest unit of storage on a disk, typically 512 bytes or 4 KB. Tracks, circular paths on the surface of a disk where data is recorded. Cylinders, groups of tracks stacked vertically across multiple platters. Logical structure. The logical structure abstracts the physical layout to provide a more user-friendly view of storage. This includes partitions and volumes which organize data logically. Partitions. Dividing a physical disk into smaller, manageable sections, each with its own file system. Logical volume management, a method for creating flexible and resizable partitions, allowing for dynamic allocation and management of storage space. File system types. File allocation table. An older file system type used primarily for its simplicity and compatibility across different operating systems and devices. Pros and cons of file allocation table. Pros: simple and widely supported. Cons: limited file size and volume size, less efficient for large disk. NTFS, which is New Technology File System, a more advanced file system used primarily in Windows environments. NTFS, which is New Technology File System, includes features like file compression, encryption and advanced permission control. Pros and cons of file allocation table. Supports large file and volume sizes. Robust security features. Cons: complex structure and higher overhead compared to simpler file systems. Extended file system. Commonly used in Linux environment. The Extend family includes Extend 2, 3 and 4, each with increasing features and performance improvements. Pros and cons of extended file system. Efficient and reliable for Linux systems with journaling support in Extendable 3 and 4. Cons: limited compatibility with non-Linux systems. Advanced file system features. Journaling logs changes before they are committed to the main file system, reducing the risk of corruption in case of a crash. Example: NTFS, New Technology File System, it is Windows. Extend File System 3 and Extend File System 4 in Linux. Pros and cons of journaling: improved reliability and quicker recovery from crashes. Cons: additional overhead for maintaining the journal. Compression reduces the size of files to save space on the disk. Compression can be applied at the file system level or by individual applications. Example: New Technology File System supports file compression. Pros and cons of compression is: saves disk space, but also cons of the compression is can slow down read and write operations due to the need to compress, decompress data. And encryption. Encryption means protects file from unauthorized access by encrypting their contents. Only users with the correct decryption key can access the data. Examples: NTFS supports encrypting file system. Extendable 4 can use encrypts. Pros and cons: enhances data security. Cons: adds computational overhead and complexity. So these are the file system types: file allocation table, new technology file system and extended file system, journaling, which is advanced file system features, compression. These are all the file system features and types. In this file system types, the most recent use of the file system is NTFS, which is New Technology File System. which is nothing other than its Windows environment. Thank you.